SNC hosted our first Manufacturing Day event. This day was truly a success. We had two main objectives in hosting this event. The first objective was to share who we are, what we do, and how we show up in community. The second objective was to share various pathways within the manufacturing industry and why you should choose a career in manufacturing. With that said, we attracted a diverse audience. We had 50 high school counselors attend this event. So these are our influencers. They had the opportunity to tour the PDC and also ask some really good questions regarding their students and how they can get involved in manufacturing. We also invited 55 high school students from Senn and St. Patrick High Schools. The students had the opportunity to tour the PDC. They also had the opportunity to participate in panel discussions and the opportunity to network with SNCers and our affinity groups. We then invited our trade partners that help us train machinists and welders. So we had the Jane Addams Resource Center, Wright College, and Oakton colleges come to the event. We also invited our extended neighbors, friends, and family because we know that they may have friends, family members that are interested in manufacturing, or they just wanted to stop by to see what we do and say hello. It was truly a successful event. We had over 250 attendees, and we're looking forward to next year. Thank you.